Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we will be assembling and reviewing Ikea's Freddy desk. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so first off, what we're going to be doing is taking everything out of the old desk, and I'll be showing you guys a time lapse of that. So, let's start it off. Now we're going to take everything out from my other station. Now we're going to open up the 2 Ikea boxes containing all the pieces for the Freddy desk. So here's what all the pieces look like once we've now opened up the 2 boxes. And boy are they big, and there's a lot. Now we're going to start the assembly of the desk. now the desk is finally complete, and this is what it looks like with everything set up and all the cable management done. Now that we've finished assembling the desk and putting everything on the desk and doing all the cable management, it's time for the review. So I gotta say though, first of all, I really like that there's cup holders on here. So I can put my drinks or sodas or whatever in these cup holders without knocking them over, and I'll have more space. And next, I really like this empty spot right here, how it's not a straight line, because I get to kind of move in here. I can just sit in front and kind of have more space, I feel like. And I gotta say though, I like this riser right here, how it can rise the desk, because I can place my consoles under here or cables that need to pass through while having this riser here, but it's optional. You can put it on top, I've seen some videos and images of it, but I have my other monitor on top, and yeah, there's some cable management holes behind there, which I can't really show you, but you guys can get the point. It basically looks like this, the cup holder. And now, I like these shelves right here. So I have my hard drive here. I don't have it hooked up. Sorry, my external hard drive. I don't have it hooked up, but it's right there on display for now. And along on the other side, you can see my PlayStation 4 controllers are charging. Well, DualShock 4. And I like how you can just put your mic right on the side here. That's also a pretty neat feature. Well, there's enough space, at least they made it so you have space. Now, something else that's really neat, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's little holders right here. You can basically hang your cables, your headphones, or whatever on these, and there's 4 of them. There's 4 of them, so it's pretty neat. And you can just put your LED lights on the top with absolutely no issues. Then you can put them on the back. So now we come down on the bottom. There's basically shelves at the top, but they're much wider, and they're meant for your desktop. Well, primarily desktops. But I have my laptops over here, and then we got the big boy right over here. So it barely fits. So I want you guys to keep in mind though, here's one con though. Some desktops might not fit, so keep in mind that before buying this. And yeah, that's my review of Ikea's Freddy desk. And is it worth the buy? I'd say yes, it's really worth the buy. And how many stars would I rate this? Maybe 9.5, 9.6 stars, maybe 10. This desk just feels perfect. It's much bigger than my old desk, as you guys have seen, but you guys get the point. It is much better, you have more features, and you just have more space, and you can make things less visible if you want. It's completely customizable. You can do whatever you want with the desk. So, that's about it for the review. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like our videos. Thanks, have a great day.